Before you start your laser machine, take a moment. At MaxLaser, we see common design mistakes that affect cut quality and final results. In this video, we'll show you what to avoid so your laser jobs come out clean and precise. Here's the first mistake: not converting your text to curves. If you use a font on your PC and you open the file on another computer without that font, the text changes or it disappears completely. To fix it, always convert your text to curves. This turns the text into a shape, so this stays the same on any computer. Just select the text and press Ctrl Q, or right-click and press Convert to Curves. Mistake number 2 is not welding your text. When you convert your cursive fonts to curves, the letters can have little overlapping pieces. If you don't weld them, the laser doesn't engrave those areas properly. To fix it, I break the text apart and select those tiny pieces that turns black. I trim those pieces with the letters, I clean them up and weld everything together. That gives you one solid shape that engraves perfectly. Mistake number 3 is forgetting to flip your design before engraving. If you're engraving on the back of clear acrylic and you don't mirror it, the text or image will come out backward. To fix it, simply mirror your design horizontally in CorelDRAW before sending it to the laser. That way the engraving reads correctly from the front. Mistake number 4 is not removing the hidden background. Sometimes when you import a PNG, it looks like it has no background, but there's actually a faint one still there. If you don't remove it, the laser engraves the whole block as well. To fix it, I convert the image to a bitmap, I trace it, and I delete the background layer completely. Once the background is gone, only the design engraves. Mistake number 5 is converting your outline to object. When your design is still an outline, the laser sees it as a line, not a shape. So instead of engraving, it will score the design. To fix this, select your object, then click Object and convert outline to object. Once it's an object, the laser reads it as an area and it will engrave properly. If you skip this step, the issue isn't your settings, it's the design. Mistake number 6 is tracing a low quality image. If the picture is blurry or pixelated, the trace also comes out rough and uneven, and that makes the engraving look very messy. To fix it, always start with a high quality image before tracing. A clear picture gives you a clean vector trace and the engraving comes out sharp. Mistake number 7 is not welding overlapping shapes. Even if it looks like one solid shape, CorelDRAW still sees them as separate pieces, and the laser engraves or cuts the overlap incorrectly. To fix it, weld the shapes together. You can do it 2 ways. Go to Object, Shaping, Weld, or click the weld icon on the toolbar. Either way, it becomes one solid shape and cuts perfectly. At MaxLaser, precision starts before the laser turns on. Designing correctly leads to better cuts, cleaner engravings, and consistent professional results. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this helped you improve your designs and get the most out of your laser machine. Stay tuned for more tips from MaxLaser to make every project a success.